Beauty Junkies? Welcome back to my channel. I have... Every time I say I have, you guys know it already, don't you? I got this cute little package from Lipsmacker, and it was a complete surprise. I've received their October one from last year. It's just a package on the door, and I'm like, okay, what is this? And out comes this. Lipsmacker's Best of Flavor Forever Spring 2018 collection, just in time, guys, for Easter. So, mamas out there, I have two girls, a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old. I think these are great. I think these would be cute for boys as well. I'm not generalizing here. These would be cute for anybody, for an adult, for a child. But this collection here, guys, is best for Easter, because you can fill these up in your Easter baskets. I think they're already out. This package was very massive, very surprising. I wasn't expecting it at all. And it came with a card that I can explain everything. So let's start off with my favorites, because I think I have 1, 2, 3, 5 of them already that I have. And this will complete my 6th because I love Eeyore. This is a Lipsmacker Best Flavor. The flavor of Eeyore. I don't know the flavor other than it's showing. If I can zoom it in a little bit. Showing that this is Eeyore. He's super cute. He just twists off, because this is how people talk. Okay, 6, relax. I should just nickname myself 6. I talk too fast. You just twist off the bottom and there's your lip balm. I use these sometimes, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Why lie? I'm a hoarder, and this just decorates my little vanity area there. So Eeyore will be joining the clan, of course. And these little guys are $4.95 and are available now. So these are Springtime's Simpsons. You have Eeyore, and you have a Thumper with a cute little carrot on the side. You have Minnie that my 2-year-old already picked out, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to give her this because she makes a mess. And oh, right here, this is a strawberry flavor, a caramel kisses, Cheer Up Buttercup. Eeyore's Buttercup. I should have just really read that. You see, I'm just all over the place. Caramel Kisses. Minnie is strawberry, and Mickey is cherry flavored. Mickey is already claimed by my 5-year-old. She doesn't really know. She just I kind of opened it and then, oh my god, Easter, and kind of closed it on her, and she just saw Mickey. And this will go in her Easter basket, and I think Minnie might go into my niece's Easter basket. We shall see. And my little one wants it, but I don't know what she does to these. She's 2 years old. What do you think she's gonna do with it? In here they have 4. They're so cute. They're so cute, guys. It's a little egg with Skittles. Lipsmacker Skittles, guys. You have green apple, wildberry, strawberry, and strawberry. Oh, freaking adorable. Like, come on. Come on. Adorable. These are $4.95. I'm obsessed. Next one is little sodas, guys. Just little sodas in Coca-Cola, cherry, and Fanta. So Sprite, strawberry, Coca-Cola flavor. Freaking adorable. Then you have the M&M. Like, guys, come on. This is cuteness overload. Again, they're $4.95. Very cute for Easter, which is why I'm doing this video, guys. I want to help you mamas out there. If you're doing an Easter basket, these are great to put in an Easter basket. These are great to maybe give if your friend is an adult. I'm a child at heart. I would love one of these in an Easter basket. If you do that, if you do those exchanging, these would be great. Boy, girl, does not matter. These are adorable. So you have M&M's in, doesn't say the flavor, just green, blue, and yellow. So we don't know the flavors of that one. Last one are Starburst. Oh my god, it's so cute. You have cherry, strawberry, watermelon, and banana. And strawberry banana? I said that wrong. No, it's cherry, strawberry, watermelon, strawberry, banana. How adorable. Little Easter egg. It's perfect. I'm going to flip this card over because now it's on the other side. Thank you so much, Lipsmacker, for this amazing package that came right on time before Easter. I'm so excited. Excited and ecstatic should not be a word. Ecstatic is not even a word. I just made my own word. Yeah, let's just keep going. So they have the little Disney Easter Trio bags, which are, oh, these three things right here, which, again, guys, it's amazing, guys. If you need it for taking the little green stuff out. This is Frozen. So you have Anna. This is, again, is $4.95. Pretty much, I think everything in here is $4.95. Look at look how cute. Little princesses. You have Moana. Beautiful. You have Minnie, Mickey, the little baby ones. They're so adorable. Then we have the Lipsmacker. Oh, the little cherry cola ones. The spring beverage cup jewels. And I'm trying to look because they sent me 3 of them and they're only showing 2 flavors, but I guess okay, 4 flavors. Oh my god, I forgot another one of these, and which is like the Princess Ariel. More princesses. And then I got 4 of these, are $4.95. These are the best flavor forever. You have Dr. Pepper, and then if you open Dr. Pepper here, there's another lip balm in here, which is freaking awesome. You have Coca-Cola, which I think is cute. You have watermelon. It will forever be my favorites. Like the strawberry lemonade and the watermelon lemonade are like my favorites. And those are $4.95. And the last thing in this box, this is great stuff for Easter, guys, I'm telling you. It's $4.95 as well. Yes, they're $4.95 as well, and they're do-it-yourself Easter toppers. So you have the lip balms and a little egg here, and you can stick that under there. And you see these little stickers, you can decorate your little Easter egg. How adorable is this? This is stinking cute. I love it. This is $4.95. They have it in this color. Very bright, very springy and Easter colors, which I adore. They have this. And this one. Guys, I'm obsessed. I feel like I'm 5 years old again. Maybe 8. So this was everything in this box. I love it. I'm impressed. Everything in here is $4.95. Everything is at your local, you can check their website, but you can also check your local drugstore. Walgreens, Target, Walmart, CVS, Rite Aids. I think I'm done with those. You can check there. They're $4.95. These are great Easter basket ideas for your little ones, for your teenagers, for your mom, for yourself, whichever you like. I love these so much. I brought out the kid in me. I cannot wait to put some of these in my daughter's baskets, in my niece's basket, my nephew. I am super excited with this. I am obsessed with this whole collection. Go check them out as well. I would have their link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for letting me show you guys Lipsmacker's spring/Easter collection that is now in stores now. Please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for any notifications for any new videos. You'll know. It will alert you. And please subscribe so you can see more of me and my silliness. and I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoy making these for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.